Hey there! Today I want to introduce you to one of the most charismatic, powerful fish of the open sea, the swordfish. With its speed-striking appearance and incredible flavor, it's a favorite among both sport fishers and fine dining chefs. And it also happens to be the favorite fish of none other than global music icon Taylor Swift. Yes, you heard that right. This fierce and elegant sea creature isn't just a star of the ocean. It's found a place in Taylor Swift's personal menu. But before we dive into that, let's take a closer look at the swordfish itself. Scientifically known as Xiphias gladius, the swordfish roams the tropical and subtropical open oceans, particularly the Atlantic and Pacific, sticking close to the surface while covering vast distances. Its most iconic feature, of course, is the long sword-like bill, used not just for show but for stunning prey and slicing through water with incredible agility. It can reach speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, making it the jet of the sea. Catching a swordfish isn't easy. It takes preparation, patience, and persistence. It's a true test for professional fishers, often involving longline techniques or open sea trolling. When a swordfish strikes, the reel screams and silence on deck turns into a battle. Now let's talk flavor. The meat of the swordfish is a pale pinkish white and has a dense, meaty texture, often compared to a tender steak from the sea. It's low in fat but not dry, which makes it both light and satisfying when cooked right. For grilling, go with high heat, about 4 minutes per side. In the oven, marinate with olive oil, lemon, and thyme, and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Pan-seared with butter and a splash of lime juice also delivers a rich, memorable flavor. As for sides and pairings, tropical flavors go beautifully. Mango avocado salsa, lime-marinated red cabbage salad, or arugula with pomegranate all make excellent companions. For drinks, a citrus-forward Sauvignon Blanc or a refreshing mojito pairs perfectly. Now let's get to the Taylor Swift connection. When she's away from the spotlight, Taylor follows a mindful, balanced diet to maintain her energy and focus. According to people close to her, swordfish is one of her top go-to meals before concerts or on special days. At her favorite seafood spot in Florida, they even created a special dish in her honor, Taylor's citrus sword. This recipe includes swordfish marinated in grapefruit juice, lime zest, fresh mint, and olive oil, then grilled over open fire. And what does Taylor say about it? Some meals just fill you up, others keep you balanced. Swordfish does both. That one sentence captures exactly what makes this fish so remarkable. It's strong yet simple, nourishing yet refined. Culturally, swordfish has long symbolized solitary strength and courage in ocean folklore. In tropical island traditions, it's believed to carry a spirit. Some say catching one is more than a hunt. It's a connection with the ocean's soul. In literature, some even argue that Hemingway's iconic fish in The Old Man and the Sea was, in spirit, a swordfish. In the end, swordfish isn't just a meal. It's a presence, a creature of elegance, endurance, and quiet intensity. It's no wonder someone like Taylor Swift, a poet of emotion, would choose it as a favorite. Have you ever tried swordfish? Or had the chance to reel one in? Share your stories in the comments. Until next time, may the wind be at your back and your plate always full. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new uploads. And most importantly, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your support means a lot to me and keeps me going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.